Okay, I just listened to a really terrible song. I think it's gonna come on again, but I don't know. So what's up? Nobody answers me whenever I say that. Nobody freaking watches my videos. It's gay. I don't like it. Maybe because you think my videos are gay and you don't like them. That's fine. People make a lot of random videos on here. They're pretty stupid. Like, stupider than mine. I would sing, but, the microphone sucks, and I'm really sick, so I can't. And, why do people keep saying they love me? What's up with that? It's creepy. Stop saying you love me. Don't do it. Don't do it. There you go, I just poked you. What now? Just kidding.